I'm on the way to see German Shepherd. German Shepherd? General Sherman Tree, which is the biggest tree in the world when it comes to volume because it's so thick. I have no idea how tall is it, but it is pretty tall. Hi, I'm sorry. I don't want to be by myself here among all the bears. So there were some cars on the parking lot, luckily. I think this elevation here is somewhere around 6,000 or 7,000 feet. And we're going to see the giant sequoias. And anyway, it took me 2 hours to drive here from home. I left like at 6:30 in the morning, and the traffic, there was almost no traffic once I left Fresno. There's hardly anybody going up the mountain, and coming to a parking lot, I expected there would be nobody here. There was 2 big parking lots, but I've seen maybe 15 cars on this parking lot, so it shouldn't be too busy. So far, I think it's like a half a mile trail to General Sherman, and I think I've seen maybe 4 or 6 people, which is kind of lovely. I want to see some people. I don't want to be alone here, but again, I don't want to be crowded. So that's it for now. It's like probably 55 degrees, which is absolutely gorgeous. I had to wear a sweatshirt. I mean, look how thick those things are, and that's not even the biggest one. That's me comparing those to the trees here. I love it here. It's really kind of quiet here now. So this is one place. This is called General Sherman. There's another trail someplace, I think it's a little further north, that has General Grant, actually, I think. And then also on the way here there were some other trees that look absolutely gorgeous too. It is estimated that the largest sequoias in this area are between 1,800 and 3,000 years old. And the world's oldest known tree, the small bristlecone pine, has lived over 4,700 years. It is just, that's just insane. This is like it's 3,000 years old. That's like a time of the Egyptians. I don't think the Egyptians were around here, but the perspective, it's all about perspective. I've read here. Looking at this tree, for me, it's kind of like a mouse looking at a human being of 6 feet. This is the perspective that you get. They say the tree has so much volume inside that if you would fill it up with water, it would be enough for almost 10,000 baths. That's like 10,000 bathtubs full of water. have to say, it's a little hard to breathe here at 7,000 feet. So this is Congress Trail. Interestingly, most of people I'm riding into here on the trail are foreigners. Sounds like from the Scandinavian countries. I gotta try to catch my breath. Want me to take a picture?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Let's stop at some trail full of some big ass tree. Big ass, for sure. And there's more of those. They're not maybe as giant. Still look beautiful, redwoods. There's a little trail. I have no idea how far it goes, but it's pretty. Sherman Tree, Mountain Trail. Red Coat Trail, one with canals. Place is peaceful, beautiful. Oh, kind of hard to breathe here too. Look how big they are. I stopped here because I didn't want to go too deep in the woods. There are some people here on the road, and that's why a couple cars parked here. And I'm only like 100 yards from the road. I'm thinking it's called Alta Trail. I'd like to spend more time here actually. Now look at that massive tree. That is just incredible.